is a little brown female. Countess. She's having a good time playing.
Say hi.
Little Mija. Whoops. Camera just can't keep up with her. There she is. Yep. Oh, gotta run and play. Run and play. And that's 2 tan ones. Those are boys. All 3 of those. And the 2 black ones. Over here by Sarah. Giving Sarah kisses. So much love and affection.
Whew. Your love and affection needs Tic Tac.
There's a little brown girl and the black one playing.